Hello again, this is the second part. I'm not going to start from scratch, I'm just going to delete the previous piece. Take the piece from what I just select. Take the piece from the second layer, from the first. It's the original piece with the definition loops defined, this one and this one. These two make our crease here, they define this corridor. Otherwise it would be blobby, shapeless, and so on. So Grant Warwick works on his example without deleting these two, which adds, as I said, an extra layer of complexity. It's not that difficult, we just have to take it step by step and see what we have to merge. So let's create again the end loop where we wanted it to be exactly. It will have to be, deselect these so that it's clear. It will have to be somewhere along this place at the very outside edge loop, or very inside, depending on how you see it. And the outside, just for simplicity's sake. So roughly that will be our corridor. But it's not enough in this case. We have to also define, oh, this is a graphical glitch. The surface, oh, the surface is gone actually. See, we can reverse that. The cuts produce that. Well, BMesh isn't that stable yet. We have to put up with things like that, unfortunately. Hopefully they will be resolved. See if I can cut somewhere else and get rid of it. Let's start from the inside. Yes, looks better. Okay. A little bit messed up, but that can be rectified. And cut again here, very close to the other piece, because these two loops define each other. Doesn't really matter yet, just cuts and you'll get it. Find the other edge. And again it's definition loop, starting from the inside. Very close to each other, as close as the image lets me at the time. And last but not least, the middle section. Right there. Okay. Let's do something to sort that out. Sure, still hasn't changed. So let's see, roughly, the idea is again the same. I have to go from a general edge here, make a turn, in any case, here. Then again here, here, and this will be the idea of our edge loop. So let's put it in motion. Now I have more edge loops than before, so I have to take, not many things change dramatically. Let me cut this end again so it's ready, and you take again this vertex, merge it, position of the last, delete your garbage. There it is. First edge loop is ready. Let's define the other ones too. This one has turned. Let's turn the others as well. It's pretty simple. position of the last, and we delete this extra garbage. Second loop ready, right? Do it again as we go along. See, this is an edge that has to run all the way here, as we described in the grease pencil. Merge it, delete garbage. It's, as Grant Warwick describes it, constant repetition. This is merged, this is again garbage. So, here they are. First edge loop, second edge loop, third edge loop, fourth edge loop. We need the height of this vertex applied to these two because they are higher. You can see that. And it's defined pretty much without doing anything else. That was the second part. I hope they were clear enough to you. Comments are open on the YouTube channel or the Blender Artist thread. If you have any questions, ask away, but be sure to read the sticky thread from Tunji, understand it, understand the theory, even though the BMesh tools are not there. Don't stand there for too long. Just understand what's going on and why loops are formed the way they are, and how many kinds loops are there. This is very important, I think. Then find the examples by Grant Warwick. There are 3-part examples, and there is a revision at Vimeo. Maybe I can post some links later. You can find the examples. Both examples, they don't go over the same things. Each part handles a different exercise, so to speak. Find them. I think they will be very useful if you're into inorganic modeling. Thank you very much.